Hi everyone, Sam Rector, Product Marketing Manager at Appfire here. In this video, I just want to quickly go over some of the great updates we made to macro security for Confluence in this latest release, version 4.0. So let's go ahead and dive right in. As a quick reminder, macro security for Confluence allows admins to restrict the use of either entire macros or specific macro parameters to only the users, groups, or spaces that need access to them. Version 4.0 is really focused on making the admin experience much easier and straightforward through a variety of UI updates. To navigate to this macro security configuration screen I'm on, you'll want to look in the Confluence Administration left-hand navigation menu under Bob Swift Configuration. So, right off the bat, if you're a current user of macro security, you're going to notice some pretty big changes under the Secured Macros tab. In the old version of macro security, to configure any restrictions, you need to upload a properties file and make changes directly in that properties file through the command line. In this version, version 4.0, we've totally eliminated the properties file in favor of this much friendlier configuration menu with smart auto-filling dropdowns and pick lists. Creating a new macro restriction is as easy as choosing a macro or macro parameter from this dropdown, entering any number of users, groups, or spaces into this one entry box, and clicking Add. And I can disable or enable an individual macro restriction with this slider, as well as edit a restriction by clicking this pencil tool and making my changes. Now, if you're upgrading from an older version of macro security, you can rest easy knowing that this new version will automatically bring in the properties files you already have and transfer any restrictions. The other new feature I wanted to highlight is this new import-export dropdown. This is aimed at helping admins after they've tested these restrictions in a development or staging environment to more easily be able to take those macro properties and apply them into a production environment. After importing the file, macro security will validate it and put the specified restrictions in place. And that's it. In macro security for Confluence version 4.0, we've shown administrators some love by creating a much more user-friendly interface and setup process. If you're an owner of macro security for Confluence, be sure to upgrade, and if you're not, I encourage you to check out this app on the Atlassian marketplace. Thanks for watching.